Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagle session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So let's start with the F30 on the daily time frame. Okay, as we can see on the daily time frame, the Dow, it broke this trend. Okay, look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it broke it and closed under it. This daily candle opened without a wick down and pushed up. That was expected. That's why I don't take especially in the Dow, when the new candle open and then start to push down, I don't take any sells. I wait for a retracement because always it will retrace. Okay, guys. So let's see on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, as you can see, look at this. It broke the trend. Okay, and then start reversed all the way and look when it start to push. Now it started to push. Okay, so that was an amazing entry. I missed it honestly. Now it did it like all of a sudden. This push now at at 8. No, at what time? Let me see. Now 8:30. It start to push. That's amazing trade. Honestly, that trade I was waiting for. That's your first target. That's 60 pips. That's the first target over here, guys. That's how I wait in patience. All the day I was waiting for this one and I missed it. It's okay. So let's wait. Let's see. Sorry. Okay, on the daily for now, the Dow, I'm waiting. Okay, for now, I'm gonna wait to break this area again. This low of this, wait, let me remove this one. This low, okay, of this candle. Tomorrow, we need an open, a wick up again. Okay, let it respect this. It's like the most important to respect this one, this high of the previous candle. And starting to push down, breaking this candle, we can take it as a wick fill. You can say that that's 60 pips the wick fill. Okay, and to this area. We can leave it as a runner to this area. We have good area, especially we have an FP, so let's see how the market will be. Okay, for the buys, I'm not gonna put any buy over here right now. The buy, it's gonna be far. I will see how it's gonna be, okay? I'm not gonna take the buy breaking this previous candle because we might retest this high and then push down. So I'm gonna be waiting for the buy. The sell too, I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, we will see how it's gonna be breaking. Let's see the 4 hours. 1 second. Oh, that's a great. Okay, so I'm gonna wait this break over here. Okay, guys. So that's it for the Dow. We go for gold. For the gold, it's super bullish. It's still pushing super bullish. Look at the daily, guys. That's huge. That's super huge. Let's see the Fibonacci. It hit again the last high. Okay, so I'm expecting a retracement because how much is gonna keep pushing up? Okay, even if it kept pushing up, it will retrace, and then we will take the buy. I'm not gonna put any buy over here. I'm not gonna be risking any buys.
Miguel, by the way, sorry to
Yes,
interrupt you. It reached the شو
80H all-time high.
the highest high يعني since
Yes,
December
this one.
2023. The all-time
Yeah.
high. إيه.
That even it broke it. Yeah, it broke it
It
and
broke
made a
it.
new high.
كان 2046 إذا ماني 2146 كان إذا ماني غلطانة.
Yes, كان هون 14 21 48 49 تقريبا. هلا it
Yeah,
reached 21 52. It's good.
exactly.
It's super good. So I'm not saying
يعني
it's
اللي
not gonna
شاري
keep.
ذهب guys congrats.
Yes,
يعني
dab. Wow,
literally يعني
it's been moving
المثل.
technically. So for now, I'm gonna be waiting for the buys. Okay, I'm not gonna take any buy unless if I saw a push down to this level and then a reversal. That's a great entry to take it, or to this level. It's gonna be 21.32. Let's wait and see how it's gonna be. Okay, that's for the buy. For the sell, I need a break of this one because we're still pushing super bullish. I'm not into sells, to be honest. Yani, I'm not thinking about sells right now. Okay, but I'm gonna be looking. If I want to look for sells, I needed to break the last higher low it did, because here there's no, I can't confirm any sell. We can take it like if you saw a 4-hour candle open like pushing down, breaking the previous, but it's not accurate. It's gonna be risky trade. Okay, so that's it for this sell. The buy, there's no buys right now. Even if it kept pushing up, I need the retracement before taking any buy. Okay, that's it for the gold. We go for GJ. Okay, GJ, we still, wait, let me put the daily time frame. Okay, GJ is still pushing bullish. Okay, that's bullish. We're still in a bullish trend on the daily. Look, low, higher low, higher low, higher low. It broke all the last highs. Higher low, higher low. So I might, like, what I'm expecting, if it's gonna continue the bullish push, I need it to open like wick down and then pushing up, breaking the previous candle. Okay, and pushing up, I'm gonna take my buy like with the trend, going with the trend. Okay, let's put the 4 hours. Okay, the 4 hours, look at this area. I need a break of this area. Okay, then like I need a retest. Don't take it one way. Okay, because we might hit this area and then push down, so I need a retest always. Have confirmations, guys. Okay, and then pushing up, I'm gonna continue with it. Plus breaking this area over here, this lows, okay, and this the last higher low it did, and now doing like a higher low again. So I need a break of it, of this one, and then continuing the push down. I can take it as a sell for sure, securing on those levels. That's a strong level, because if it's gonna continue bullish and we saw a hit on this line, okay, it's gonna be kind of, not kind, like it's gonna be with, let me put the daily. Okay. It's gonna be as a double top. Okay, but mostly it hit the neckline and retrace from the neckline. That's why I'm gonna be securing on the neckline and leaving runners. That's a big target, like when you put your stop loss entry. Not big, but خلاص, you're safe. You put your stop loss at entry and then you leave the runner. Okay, so that's it even for the GJ. Breaking this high, I'm gonna take my buy, and breaking this sell, this low, I'm gonna take my sell. Okay, to continue the push down, that's gonna be like the first target. That's 60 pips. That's great, honestly, to take it and leave a runner. Okay, so that's it. Even GJ, we go for the euro. Euro's pushing up. The euro, yani, mostly if you look at those candles, I don't love too much the euro because of this movements it do. That's daily candles, daily, and that's from 15 February, 16 February. All this, look at those candles, and that's too much. And today it was, sorry, today there was a volume with it. But I don't think that the euro it's gonna open like one candle and then pushing up. So don't take it as one candle because it's slow. It might even reach TP1 and then reverse. So wait for it. Okay, wait, small retracement, go to the 4 hours. Look at this 4 hours. So always look, guys, that's the 4 hour. It goes up, it retraced. It goes up, it retraced. It goes up, it retraced. Always. So I don't take any trades if I didn't see any retracement, because it's gonna be risky and it's gonna take your entry and then retrace, hit your stop loss, and then continue to push up. So we don't need to be in this case. Okay, always have patience with your trade. Okay, and this low, breaking this low, look at this area. That's like a lot of wicks over here. But I'm gonna take it breaking this low, the previous daily candle and this daily candle, but not one candle. Not if it opened wick up and then pushing down, breaking, I'm not gonna take it for sure. Even if it broke, I will wait for it, let it retest and then push down. Okay, so that's it for the euro is super slow, so it's different than the other pairs. The euro. Lama, you do the GU.
Yes. Okay, for the GU. So today in the morning, for the people who are attending the morning sessions, I was telling them that it might be forming the Elliott wave. If you see here, the Elliott waves. Okay. So before I explain again the Elliott waves and explain to you how I was like, I saw the Elliott wave, أو I doubted أنه maybe there is an Elliott wave. I will show you. Let's like go deeper a little bit. Okay, so for the daily candle, that was the daily candle here, the green one. Okay, this one. Today, after the market opened, I sent a study that we have by, I think there was another study. I sent 2 studies. Let me check again the Discord. Just a second. Okay, so while it is opening, I also wanted to show you. So here, sorry, here on the GBP USD, I missed the buy, but what a push. I love the study. If it retests the support, will it be a good buy again? It can be a good buy. وأخذت. And it took another time the buy. Okay, so today I sent the Elliott wave, the expected Elliott wave that is forming. And also I sent a scalp. Look what happened. Today in the morning, I was not so sure if I need to put my resistance يعني هون, it's gonna be either here or here, because mainly we have a breach of the resistance line. But can you see the drawings, by the way? مبين أنه عم برسم على الشارت.
مبين.
Okay, so here I was skeptic, but because I understand how I can trade on a lower time frame. And this is 1 hour time frame, and mainly on 1 hour, what we do with currencies, we scalp on them. So scalping on currencies is different. We say it's scalp. It's not like the US 30 scalp of Abdullah on 5 minutes time frame, because we cannot scalp less than 1 hour, 30 minutes if it is a fire pair like the GJ, GU, you see. But euro, it's so hard. You cannot go below 1 hour. It's so hard. But the volume, it needs like a fire pair, a pair that it changes a lot, moves a lot. So that's why I was able to trade on the 1 hour. So I took a scalp. I sent a study for few pips. Here it was around 16 pips from here, the target. Okay, and I told them you can take it. So after it opened and I saw the market, how it is moving after the London session, then I was more like confident to send the study, and at least we can secure this area from here. Okay, so I said, like, if we can scalp, we took it, and then it went down. It reached here, I remember. رجعت تاني, the second hour candle was here. Okay, هلا the point is that after taking this wick fill, now I have a new resistance, which is here. So now I can be more confident with the resistance, because it hit here for the second time and went down again. Okay, so now I am more like confident that I have a new resistance. Breaking it will be my buy. reaching this resistance and going down can be a reversal and we can take the sell. Okay, so this is how I think, this is how I analyze things. So you can understand how each alpha trader see things and see their study, his study. Okay, so now you see here, this is the trade that I was explaining. It reached, يعني the target was from here, okay, until here. So we take until here. This is the red candle again. Now it is showing that is going up. So خلص كتروا هون الcandles. يعني صار almost I have a new resistance line. Okay, so now I have a new target. Either it will go up or it will go down, as I was showing you before. Okay, and that's what happened. It went up. Okay, وقف. It went up and we took the buy the first time. يعني it reached, I think, yeah, it was around here. Then in the afternoon, there was news on the US dollar, if I'm not mistaken, because the volume got stronger. You see here at 7 p.m. in the afternoon, there was news. Also, the governor of the central bank's governor, Powell, he was speaking. So that's why there was movements in the market. And because mainly, I'm not sure if it is negative or positive news for the US dollar because the job opening was 8.86 million. Let's understand how we can know that. Bureau of Labor, okay, number of job opening during the reported months, excluding the farming industry, مظبوط, is that if the actual is greater than forecast, is good for currency. So this is the actual, this is the forecast. Okay, so it's greater, which means it's good for the currency. So it was good for the US dollar, but يعني mainly the US dollar should go up, but I don't know how it end up with the GBP also going up. Okay, so mainly it is the opposite. It should be the opposite. But the volume got stronger on the US dollar and made this move goes up. So again, it took the buy. Okay, so if it makes a wick down and you can go up, let's see if you see it on a lower time frame. Yeah. لا, it's better not to فأذن Wilson. خلص يعني if it made a wick down and goes up here from the middle, لا, we don't take it again. Okay, so mainly that was the trade, but it went up again, which shows also that the weekly the Elliott wave formation is about to happen. يعني slowly we are going up, and this also shows that we have an uptrend because we have here low, higher low, higher low, higher low. This is an uptrend. This is how you see an uptrend, okay? And you have like a higher high, higher high, higher high, okay? So mainly this is it. هلا for me tomorrow, what will be my study? أكيد, of course, I will wait for the close of the market, but I think breaking here the high of this candle, the high of this candle, the 4-hour candle, will be my buy opportunity. Let me remove this one. تمضل. Okay, so breaking here, this zone will be my buy opportunity. Of course, breaking the close of this candle will be the sell opportunity, and I can even go deeper on 1 hour, let's say, and see مثلا هون the close of this candle, let's say if it was here, I can like scalp also all this way up. Let's see the 30 minutes. I cannot use the Fibonacci here, the Fibonacci, because I have lots of candles here. So no, I will not scalp on the 30 minutes. This is how you take decisions. When you see that it went down, then went up, went down, يعني خلص it retraced, يعني عملت نزلتها. So maybe it will not go again. But anyways, it's always better to take the final decision when the next day, يعني when this candle close, the day close, and the next day starts. Okay, so mainly it's better يعني, to think like this. But I was trying to share with you my thoughts, how I think during يعني, analyzing the market. Okay, so the Elliott wave, what يعني, how I detected the Elliott wave mainly because I noticed that, okay, so one, I noticed that after a retracement, the market is going up, so it was bullish. Okay, so and two, that gave me more confirmations. After this way up, there was a retracement. And mainly in Elliott waves, you need to understand this. It's not hard, by the way, the Elliott wave. If you understand it, it's not hard at all. So what happens in Elliott wave, you always have 1, 2, and 3 extension waves, and 1 and 2 corrective waves. Okay, so we always have 3 like extension waves going up, or vice versa, كمان they can be going down, and 1 and 2 corrective waves. يعني these, they want to correct this way up or retrace the way up. Okay, if you want to take it like this. So what we also use with the Elliott wave, so you can understand it better, is the Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension. So with the extension waves, we use the Fibonacci extension, اسمها مسمى, and for the corrective waves, because they are correcting this way up, or يعني retracing, and they are taking like a break from all the way up, we use the Fibonacci retracement. So by this way, if you think like this, you will not get confused with the Elliott waves and the Fibonacci. Okay. Okay, you were saying yes. Okay, now I'm seeing the chat. I'm asking myself why you are saying yes. Anyway, so this is 1. 2, now how I need to draw these waves, how I need to draw them. I don't know how I need to draw them. So now you will use the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci is only the tool to help you learn how to draw the Fibonacci. Okay, let me do it like the Elliott waves. Okay, so mainly when we draw the Elliott waves, I choose like this one here, Elliott wave, okay, and I draw it. But to know exactly, precisely, يعني, where it will reach, where it will retrace. Okay, so mainly this is the first move of the Elliott wave. This one, I don't draw it, يعني, it happens. Okay, so what happened also is it reached this resistance line, which was a resistance before, and I wasn't seeing the Elliott wave, and I was in a different thinking. But now I'm analyzing how I drew the Elliott wave. It started going down, and it reached also to this support line, this major support. If you see here, it hit here, hit here. So mainly it is like a support. It is like a support forming. And then it went up again. So if I want to measure according to the Fibonacci retracement, how much it went down, always if you want to measure the uptrend, you will go from the lower point to the highest point, okay, like this. And you see how it reached, how much it reached. So measuring this up, يعني the down was 61.8 or 61.8% or 0.618. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci, يعني mainly the waves that are retracing, they retrace either reaching 61 point, يعني 0.618 or 0.5 or 0.38382. يعني it reached exactly the number. Okay, this is the power of technical analysis. So now I am considering that, maybe, and because يعني it retraced on the exact number, it depends, maybe it will reach the 50%. It's also correct. So it depends also يعني how much the Elliott wave is big or small. يعني if we have a big wave here forming, the retracement at least should be 50% or 61.8, okay, percent. But if it's gonna be like reaching here 0.23, it's too small for a big wave. So maybe it's not like considered as a Elliott wave يعني هيك مثل ظابط مع بعضه. ما بعرف if you got my point. Okay, so this is something also that you start analyzing with time. So if the retracement is according to the Elliott wave measured according to the Fibonacci, يعني the rules of Fibonacci with Elliott waves, and I see a move up, so here I was able to detect at some point that there is an Elliott wave forming. هلا we might find some retracements, يعني you can find the red candles inside the Elliott waves, and it's okay because it happens. But as long as I have higher lows happening, so here I am sure no, I'm still going up. Okay, and for the Fibonacci extension here, how can I know the extension of this wave? يعني ليه مثلا ما كانت هون? Why it wasn't here? Maybe why it was here, for example. Okay, because mainly with the Fibonacci extension, you measure the extension of the first wave. Okay, هلا I clicked it and I left it. Now I will move only my mouse like this. So you go from the lower to the highest point. You click the Fibonacci. You can try it on TradingView. Okay, and you click here. يعني you measure from here and only you move the mouse. Okay, so it will move alone. Mainly the third wave should be the tallest wave. Okay, and it should be the tallest wave. So yes, and it can reach 1.5. يعني إذا هيدي, if this one is let's say يعني هيدي بدها تكون 1.5 قدها, 1.5 of this extension. This is how you start analyzing the Elliott wave and knowing how to draw it. The retracement, it is the same, the Fibonacci extension, retracement, sorry. This retracement should be the retracement of this uptrend, which means Fibonacci retracement from the lowest point to the highest point, because I want to measure how much it retraced down from the up. So I have to go and measure the up move, the uptrend. Okay, at least it should be يعني 50% or 0.5. And the 4 here, the point should be higher than this point. يعني ها ما فيها تكون هون بطولة. بيكونوا عقد, they cannot be on the same level. Okay, so it should be higher. Okay, so this is how I measure the retracement. It should retrace 50% from all this up move. And then the extension, it is the same. Okay, this extension, to draw the extension, I need to measure the previous extension of this extension, which is the wave number 3, from the lowest point to the highest point, and I leave it. Okay, أنا بنزلها. I let it go down till 4 because I need to measure it with considering also the wave 4. Okay, so it should reach either 0.786 or 0.618. It can be like this. It's not a problem, or between them. Okay, so I put it like this. This is how you start analyzing and seeing Elliott waves. Do you have any question concerning the Elliott wave? Was it like clear? I know for some people, new people, they will feel that it's complicated because you feel that you don't know now how you draw the Fibonacci, how you draw the Elliott wave, why you cannot see the Elliott wave now. It's okay. The target now is to understand the concept, and with time, you will start seeing it slowly. You see? That was it for the GU. Miguel, I don't know if you want to add something, share anything.
No, GU, no. It's amazing.
Okay. I will leave it now for